Banh Bot Loc is one of the most popular snacks in Southeast Asia. For festive meals, we make or buy them per 100. Here are the ingredients for 30 pieces. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak 10 grams of black fungus for 1 hour. Cut 70 grams of bamboo chut into small cubes. Boil them for 10 minutes. Drain them. Cut 100 grams of shrimp into chunks. Mince 50 grams of shallots. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Mince 30 grams of spring onion. Remove the foot of the watch and drain black fungus. Chop them. To cook the stuffing, put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallot and the garlic. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add 100 grams of ground pork. Stir for 1 minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a good pinch of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir another minute. Add the bamboo chut and the black fungus. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add the shrimp. Stir for 1 minute. Cut the fire. In a pan heated over medium heat, put 1/4 cup of oil. When the oil is hot, put the spring onion. Stir for 30 seconds, then cut the fire. For the dosing of the dipping sauce, you can watch my video, Spring Roll Dipping Sauce. To make the dough, put in a mixing bowl 200 grams of tapioca starch. Pour in 15 centiliters of boiling water while stirring. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Knead until all the starch stick together. Then knead it on a baking mat for 5 minutes. Take half of the dough. Keep the other half in a bag to prevent it from drying. Spread it to have a thickness of about 3 to 4 millimeters. Cut disc of 7 centimeters in diameter. Cover them with a dry cloth. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the center of the disc. Fold it in half. Press on the edges to enclose the stuffing. Boil a pot of water. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Put in the dumplings. Gently stir from time to time. Slightly boil them for 8 minutes. Take them out and put them in cold water for 1 minute. Drain them. Put them on a plate. Put on some spring onion. To finish, generously pour the spring roll dipping sauce. Bon appétit! These small dumplings are very appreciated, especially for their unique elastic texture. As it is chilled, this dish releases its multiple flavors. It is irresistible. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.